Cleaner Ash, welcome to Even Cooking Show. Today I'm going to show you how to make spicy and sweet vada in mung bean, that's whole green gram. Let's get into the video. For this recipe, I've taken about 500 grams of green mung bean and have soaked for 3 to 4 hours. Now I'm going to pressure cook this. Add just 1 glass of water, 1 teaspoon of salt. Pressure cook this for about 2 whistles. Now the mung bean is nicely cooked like this. I've divided into 2 portions, one to make spicy and another one to make sweet. First I'm going to show you how to make the sweet recipe in this. Now I've taken 1 bowl of jaggery, add to the pan. Keep it in the low flame. Add a small amount of water. Stir continuously until the jaggery is dissolved. Add this Moong Dal. Mix well. Cook in a low flame for about 5 minutes. I have added powdered cardamom to this and 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. If you want, you can add more also. 2 tablespoons of distilled coconut. Stir well. Now allow it to cool for some time. After cooling, I have smashed the mixture nicely like this with a spoon. Now, to make bondas, we should make a mixture for that. To make this bonda mixture, take 3 tablespoons of MAIDA, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and 1 tablespoon of rice powder. Water. To this consistency. Now I've taken some breadcrumbs. Now the oil is about to heat. Don't keep it too high also. I've taken small amount of mixture like this, dip in the mixture, then roll it like this, the breadcrumbs, then when it turns brown like this, you can take slowly one by one. Don't leave it for too long. To make pakoda, coarsely grind all that like this. Add green chili chop, coriander leaves, mint optional. I have added ginger, finely chopped. If you don't want, you can omit it. Nicely slice this onions like this. Then add to this powder. Add 1 tablespoon of rice powder. 1½ tablespoon of gram flour. 1 tablespoon of rice powder. 1½ tablespoon of gram flour for this. Add salt. Add 1 small teaspoon of garam masala powder. This is also optional. Mix all the contents thoroughly. Mix it like this. Now the batter is ready to make pakodas. Drop it like this. Wait till the onions are brown and then you can take out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Try at home and comment below. Please subscribe my channel, click the like button, click on the bell icon to get my upcoming videos. Thank you. Spread the art of cooking.